Good afternoon. Unit 1 HDL Design Part 2. So first is modeling styles. So what is the style of modeling? The style or the style or the ways in which functionality of the design is described are called as style of modeling. The style or the way in which functionality of design is described are called as the styles of modeling. So basically there are three styles, that is data flow, behavior and structural, and there is one more, that is mixed modeling. But basically there are three only, that is data flow, behavior and structural modeling. So first is structural style of modeling. In the structural style of modeling, an entity is described as a set of interconnected components. In structural modeling, here entity is described as a set of interconnected components. So here one example is given. Example of half adder is given. Entity half adder, port A B. Here A and B are in input, sum and carry are output and half adder. And here architecture, that is model for the half adder entity, and that is architecture part is given here. So the structural modeling is hierarchical design method. Here subcomponents perform smaller operation of complete model, and each component can be simulated individually. In structural modeling method, the entire design is split into a small modules. Logical diagram is the required design specification for this type of method. Also in structural modeling style, the components from the libraries or from working directory are connected together. So in structural modeling, here entity is described as a set of interconnected component in the architecture body. So here interconnected in architecture of half adder, the interconnected components are shown here. In this modeling, the components from the libraries or from working directory are connected together, and this design method is hierarchical. Here each component can be individually simulated. In structural modeling, each component can be individually simulated. The structural design method is also used to split a design into manageable units. So this modeling needs a logical diagram as a design specification. So here interconnected components are shown in the architecture part of the half adder. Next is data flow style of modeling. So in the data flow model for the half adder is described here using two concurrent signal assignment statement. So the data flow modeling is based on the concurrent assignment statement. The flow of data through the entity is expressed using concurrent signal assignment statement. When any input signal changes its value, each statement gets executed. The data flow modeling style needs Boolean equation as the design specification. It needs a Boolean equation as a design specification. So in this modeling, the flow of data through the entity is expressed using concurrent signal. That is, it has a set of concurrent assignment statement. Each statement is executed when any of its input signal changes its value. This modeling needs a Boolean equation as the design specification. So here architecture for the half adder is given using the concurrent signal assignment statements. The concurrent signal assignment statements are concurrent statements, and therefore the ordering of this statement in an architecture body is not important. Here ordering of the statement in architecture body is not important. Next is behavioral style of modeling. Next is behavioral style of modeling. So the behavioral style of modeling specifies the behavior of an entity as a set of statements that are executed sequentially in the specified order. This set of sequential statements that are specified inside a process statement do not explicitly specify the structure of the entity, but merely it specifies its functionality. A process statement is a concurrent statement that can appear within an architecture. In this modeling type, the behavior of an entity. Behavior means what? Entity behavior means input and output relationship. It is expressed using sequential statement. This modeling is high level description of the system under test. The detail of the gate level implementation are not required for this type of modeling. In the behavioral design method, the schematic of interconnected symbols are not used. Rather, the circuit is defined in the terms of textual language. This style of modeling needs input specification or truth table as a design specification. The process statement represents the functionality of the design in terms of algorithm description. In the behavioral design method, the schematic of interconnected symbols are not used. Rather, the circuit is defined in terms of textual language. This style of modeling needs input specification or truth table as a design specification. The process statement represents the functionality of a design in terms of algorithmic description. So in the behavioral modeling, the behavior of entity, that is the relation between input and output, is expressed. It is also known as high level description. Here there is no need to focus on the gate level implementation of design, and it defines a circuit in terms of textual language rather than a schematic interconnected symbol. The functionality of the design is described in an algorithmic representation in process statement. So this modeling needs a truth table as a design specification. Now here example is given. So consider the example of decoder 2x4. So here architecture for this is given here. So the process statement, here the process statement is used. The process statement 2 has a declarative part, that is between the keyword process and begin, and a statement part between the keyword begin and end process. The statement appearing within the statement part are sequential statements are executed sequentially. The list of signals specified within the parenthesis after the keyword process constitute a sensitivity list, and the process statement is invoked whenever there is an event on any signal in this list. In the here when an event occurs on signal A and B are enabled, the statement appearing within the process statement are executed sequentially in this example. The next type is mixed style of modeling. So it is possible to mix the three modeling style that we have seen so far in a single architecture body. That is, within an architecture we could use the component instantiation statement that represent a structure, also concurrent signal assignment statement which represent data flow and the process which represent the behavior. So here is an example of mixed style model for 1-bit full adder. So in architecture the three modeling styles are used, that is structure, behavior and data flow. So next type is sequential statements. Next is sequential statement. So here we will just see the introduction of the sequential statement. So the sequential statement execute one at a time in sequence. As the case with any conventional programming language, the sequence of the statement is important. So sequential statements are the statement that execute serially one after the other. The VHDL has borrowed the syntax for its sequential statement from ADA. The sequential statement can be present only in the process or subprogram. Only sequential statement can use a variables. Following statements are all the sequential statement. So that is the assignment statement, if statement, case statement, null statement, loop statement, and next statement. Also exit statement, return statement, assert statement. So these are the sequential statements. These are which are executed one after the another in order in which they are written. The sequential statement can appear only in the process or subprogram, and only sequential statements can use variables. So we will see all these statement afterwards. The VHDL support a sequential statement also, which execute one statement at a time sequentially, as the case with any conventional language. Here example for this is overview. Then the next is the concurrent statement. Now the concurrent statements execute at the same time in parallel as in hardware. So the concurrent statements are present in architecture body in VHDL, a set of interconnected concurrent statements such as processes and blocks describe an overall design in terms of behavior or structure, unlike a sequential statement which gets executed one after the other. The concurrent statements in a design execute simultaneously. The functionality of a design in VHDL is defined by a set of concurrent statements. These statements are similar to the hardware because many of these statements can be active at the same time. Most of the concurrent statements describe the functionality of multiplexer structure, the design of the storage elements like flip-flop using concurrent statement only is not possible. The main concurrent statements are process statement and block statement. So concurrent versions of some sequential statements are concurrent signal assignment, concurrent procedure calls, component instantiation statement, and generate statement. The concurrent statement provide a convenient syntax for representing a simple, commonly occurring forms of process as well as a regular descriptions. Now here syntax for the concurrent signal assignment statement is given, which represent an equivalent process statement that assign a value to a signal. The VHDL architecture body consists of a set of interconnected concurrent statements. This statement in a design executes simultaneously. All these statements describe the functionality of multiplexer structure. It is not possible to design a storage element like flip-flop using concurrent statement only. The concurrent statement defined in VHDL are concurrent signal assignment, block statement, component instantiation statement, generate and process statement. Also, the conditional signal assignment represent a process statement in which the signal transform is a if statement. Now the syntax for this is given here. The selected signal assignment represent a process statement in which the signal transform is case statement. Also, the syntax for this is also given here. So in the next lecture we will see subprogram procedure, packages, attributes. Thank you.